Hey, what's going on with y'all YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy that Glow Kid with a back another video. We're back at it again with another one for sure. So today we have a couple of more things to do on the 2006 Ford that we've been keeping you guys updated with the, 5 things that best for you to require to change on your car for you to be safely able to drive your car, road ready, safe, all things like that. So that being stated, we're gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna show you what we have going on today. We are gonna be doing the water pump, thermostat, and also the serpentine belt, flush the coolant out, put fresh coolant in this car. All right. So, yes, I know I'm on the outside. We have the BMW that's being worked on right now. So in that case, and my garage is my shed slash garage, whatever you want to call it, is full of a whole bunch of stuff right now. So that being stated, we have light, we have everything we need. The weather is nice out. It's fairly nice out anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the update of how to do that repair. If you have any questions, if you like the content like this, go ahead and drop that comment down below and drop that subscribe and like if you want more content like this for sure. If you're new to the content, new to the channel, definitely smash that subscribe and smash that like. Yeah. So far, what I have done, I have pulled the fuel rail. As you can see here, the fuel rail is pulled. Pull all the connectors for the fuel rail, and also for the coils for the spark plug. So I'm gonna be doing also the valve cover gasket itself. So all right, that's what we're gonna be doing here. The next step will be is to pull these bolts. These are like a 12 here. They're about like 3-4 of them. There's more to get to down below. I'm gonna get some lighting in a second so we can see much better with this. All right, if you have any questions, make sure to drop them comments down below. Alrighty, y'all, so here's the update now. I'm in the process of pulling these bolts like I told you. It's already pulled. So there you go. It's 3 of them. I already, you also have to get to this axis down here, because this is the upper radiator hose. As you can see, it's connected to the radiator right there. And then the other one, which will be located down here, and give you some better lighting. You can see right there. And that one will be connected to the thermostat, which is down there. So every vehicle is different. The way how they made this is, for a small 4-cylinder, is very compact and very different, but you learn as you go along. So we had to move this whole assembly right here, which is the intake manifold, which I mentioned before. I pulled the air intake box, stuffed it with some tissue, make sure nothing falls out in there because of the sensors and everything down there. And I'm in the process of pulling this right now. The daughter body, which I set it aside over here, is connected with the cable. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish bolting this off, and get down to it. All right, so peace. All right, so at this stage now we got the intake manifold out the way. So what you want to do, since you are here, always double check hoses. Hoses plays a big part of your vehicle overheating, your vehicle not giving you coolant, not giving you proper heating. It's running weird. It's low in fluid overall. So what I would recommend if you're doing anything like this, and like I always said again, new to the content, new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that like, smash that subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can continue to get more following up contents like these. But back to it, I would recommend checking the hoses. You know, if you're at this stage, you can run out to AutoZone once you take the starter off though, and double check and make sure your starter is on point. Things like that, you know, and clean up anything that you want to clean up, any debris. So all of this import of the exhaust side of the head, you know, is looking pretty black. So I will go ahead and get that a nice clean out. You know, you can use a brake cleaner. So use a brake cleaner, get that nice and cleaned out, things like that, and keep pushing forward. So like I said before, we're doing a thermostat, which thermostat is right here. It's a weird setup, but this is the thermostat housing. So I got to pull this hose off and also drain the coolant, and then pull this actual hose line, because this is the the sender, this is the return. Fluid going here, goes into the block, pushes back out, over reservoir overflow and things like that. So yeah, already are, and also the water pump too as well. So we're gonna get at that. Peace. So we got the water pump, I believe it's called a balancer off this stage. So there's a tension that you want to get to under there to loosen the belt, and then there's going to be 3 bolts to get the actual pump itself off. Also remember to take out the coolant. Angle is bad. Okay, angle is 1 bolt. If you take out this headlight, it will make it easier for you to get more access for you to see it. All right. This is the following update.